I'm going to start by placing my ruler a little bit higher than halfway so that the left side of the ruler matches the paper. And you'll see that the paper is about 18 inches wide. I'm going to use a light mark with my pencil to mark these measurements. The first one is 1 inch. Placing a light dot should be erasable in case you make a mistake. Another at 8.5, 9.5, and 17. So I have 4 dots in those 4 places. I'm going to shift my ruler down lower than the middle and repeat. Again, my ruler is at the far left edge of the paper. Notice it's 18. And repeat light dots at 1 inch, 8.5, 9.5, and 17. I'm going to keep my paper as it is, but I'm going to rotate my ruler so that it is vertical and place it along the first 2 dots that I measured, which were 1 inch. Take the time to carefully line up your ruler so you can just barely see the 2 dots. Spread your fingers out to hold the ruler down, and then drag your pencil from top to bottom going through those dots. You should have a line that's light and erasable in case you make a mistake. And then I'm going to repeat that step again at my 8.5 inch dots, my 9.5 inch dots, and my 17s. So now I have 4 lines that go from the top of the paper to the bottom at those 4 measurements. In order to complete the 2 picture planes, I have to rotate my paper and place measurements now in 2 different places. You'll notice the paper is 12 inches wide, starting with 0 on the left. I'm going to place a dot at 1 inch and 11. Notice my ruler is about 1/3 of the way down the paper from the top. Placing a dot at 1 inch and another dot at 11. Now I'm going to repeat those steps, moving my ruler further down the paper at 1 and 11. I'm going to connect my ruler on the 11s, holding it down loosely, going across and across. I am going to rotate my paper so it's easy to see and repeat. So lining it up slowly and carefully on those 2 dots, fingers spread out, 2 nice light lines that go across.